Starting around 12 October 2023, Jasmy coin really is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.31% in by and large most recent 1 hour in an extremely significant manner. Jasmy basically has an all-out market cap of $163,481,408 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $10,781,176 in an especially enormous manner. This sort of makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, positioning at 152 in the cryptographic money market, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin really be extremely worth in 2023, which generally is very huge? Is Jasmy coin an excellent venture or really worth purchasing in 2023, which is genuinely critical? Will Jasmy cost by and large outperform its unequaled certainly high in an unpretentious manner? These really are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, which truly is very critical. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023, as per the Jasmy coin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost for the most part is supposed to truly cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.005, the normal certainly least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to sort of be $0.004 in a very significant manner. Besides, Jasmy can in every practical sense arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.005, or so they for the most part thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004 in a sort of large manner. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.004. Jasmy value conjecture September 2023. The Jasmy coin figure for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.004 with a base cost of around $0.004 in a fundamentally huge manner. Discussing the truly normal value, Jasmy can stretch around $0.004 for September and in every practical sense, huge way. Jasmy coin value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the exceptionally most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could explicitly stretch around $0.005 in a sort of enormous manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 in a real sense is $0.004, with a very normal cost of $0.004, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Jasmy value figure November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Jasmy coin especially is supposed to truly arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.004, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Jasmy cost could arrive at a really greatest cost of $0.005, with the in every practical sense, normal cost around $0.004, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin by and large is especially anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach at an essentially least worth of $0.004 in December 2023, in an unpretentious way. The Jasmy cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.005, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023, exhibiting how Jasmy coin value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could by and large stretch around $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin kind of past value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been really diminished by 0.01% in its fundamentally current worth, which essentially is very huge. Assuming we basically think about the sort of current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, or so they for the most part thought. Jasmy coin in a real sense is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, exhibiting that Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023, as per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost certainly is supposed to especially cross a sort of normal value level of $0.005. The normal especially least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to explicitly be $0.004, which truly is genuinely critical. The Jasmy in every practical sense is down to nearly 6.42% in the sort of most recent 7 days, which for the most part shows that discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Jasmy can by and large stretch around $0.004 for September, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin most certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for truly past really couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have major areas of strength, for commonly yet, we don't in a real sense feel that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, which by and large is very critical. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy generally diminished by 51.376%, taking out an incredible extremely normal amount of $0.004 from its genuinely current worth, so inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy really diminished by 51.376%. Wiping out an astounding kind of normal amount of $0.004 from its especially current worth in a fundamentally significant manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can all things considered be a decent purchase and open door for the most part speedy speculation. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 36.37%, and the cost generally circled from a by and large least fundamentally normal cost of $0.005 to pretty greatest sort of normal cost of $0.005 in the truly beyond 90 days, in every way that really matters, further appearance how in every practical sense. Is Jasmy coin an essentially wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Jasmy coin sort of is somewhere near 7.44%, with the kind of most extreme really normal cost of the coin fundamentally was around $0.003, and the base exceptionally normal cost of in a real sense was around $0.003 in kind of beyond 4 months in a by and large huge manner. Jasmy coin value figure 2023 facts. What will basically be Jasmy coin worth in 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner? The Jasmy cost explicitly is determined to generally arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0.005. As far as value, Jasmy coin really has an extraordinary genuinely potential to arrive at new levels, for the most part further appearance how besides Jasmy can essentially arrive at a greatest value level of $0.005, which in every practical sense is very huge. It by and large is figure that Jasmy will increment in esteem, or so they most certainly thought. As per sort of unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Jasmy coin can generally